Good afternoon, everybody. Today's day 4 of our Dubai trip, and today we are doing a desert safari. What that means, I don't know. All we know is someone's picking us up from the hotel at 2:30, which is about 15 minutes. There are ATV rides, camel rides, and a Middle Eastern show. So let's go check it out. So we just made it to the desert. It took about an hour from downtown Dubai. Obviously, we gotta look the part, you know, not only just to protect ourselves, but to feel cool, you know? Yeah, it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Oh, look at the little bird prints and the paw prints. There's some kind of animals that were here not too long ago.
Oh, that looks good.
Hey.
That's good.
No, it looks good.
All right, on aboard.
Together we're the greatest. We'll never be that cold again. No falling on to pieces. We're the greatest. It's you and me until the end. Life for us is never over.
So we just finished riding the camels. We're here at the campsite now. Everything looks beautiful. They gave us some falafels and shawarma. We just saw the Falcon show. And we got a bunch of entertainment ahead of us. But I'm not gonna lie, I can't wait for the food. While we wait for the next show to begin, Laftidia is gonna go get a henna tattoo. All right, the show is finally beginning.
Halamati Habibu, Halamati Habibinale, Halamati Habibu, Halamati Habibina, Halamati Habibu, Halamati Habibinale, Halamati Habibu, Halamati Habibu.